Hey there, Diane here. Today I'm sharing my experience with the Coway Airmega, which I've been using for over 3 years now. This purifier is designed for rooms up to like 361 square feet, so it's great for bedrooms, offices, or like small living rooms. It uses this four-stage filter system, so it captures things like pollen, airborne pet dander, dust, and other allergens in the air. Personally, I really love it because it helps to reduce smells. And one of my favorite features is the real-time air quality monitor. So it uses this bright LED that shows you like instantly how clean or dirty your air is. It also has this built-in timer and like a filter lifetime indicator, which makes maintenance super easy. The fan speed settings go from level 1 to 3. And yes, to answer the main question, it absolutely does have auto mode. Auto mode helps to adjust the fan speed for you based on your indoor air quality. So when the air stays clean for like 30 minutes, the fan shuts off and switches into eco mode, and that helps you save energy. There's also a timer that lets you run it for 1, 4, or 8 hours before it powers off on its own. This filter indicator tracks both your pre-filter and your HEPA filter, so you'll always know when it's time to wash or to replace them. Personally, I just go ahead and replace them. In my case, I only had to replace the filters twice in 3 years. But your results may be different depending on your air quality, but it's been really low maintenance for me. It also doesn't use a lot of electricity and it's super quiet, like background noise quiet, because I use it in my office and I barely hear it. Overall, I'm really happy with this air purifier. It keeps my air feeling clean, it's easy to use, and it basically runs itself into auto mode. That's my experience with the Coway Airmega, and thanks for watching.